Alright guys, it's SD again. Got a little idea Doug gave us. Got everything set up. Got all these run coils. Total of 5 still. Primary batteries sitting at 1256, and the batteries that we're getting ready to charge, that means there's 2 of them. It's 1324. And what I did is I come over and made a couple of little jumpers using that number 10 wire. Went down to Lowe's and got some bolts and went from negative to negative and positive to positive, because he says I'm putting out enough that should be able to take care of both of these. Anyway, we're going to clip this on here and see what happens. Guys, watch for smoke. Here we go. Still got the LED hooked up in there. 2 lines showing. Now before, when I was just charging a single battery, they're both 18Ah. I couldn't get the pot to go over 1 amp. So we'll see what happens here. Doug was saying once you get the battery close to its max charge, that's when the resistance builds up and you start getting heat in your resistors, especially these two, but all these we were doing was just getting slightly warm. And none of these on the transistors at all were getting hot at all. Nothing. Transistors were actually ice cold. Anyway, here's your lines there for the LED. We'll let it run for just a little bit and then start to increase it. Right now we are sitting at about 700 milliamps. See if we can bump it just a little bit. I put a little piece of tin tape on there that you get when you get those digital tachometers. And I don't know if these other white lines are messing it up, but the most I could get RPM wise out of this was like 591. I'm pretty sure this rotor is going faster than that. Maybe not. Anyway, you can hear it picking up speed. Almost just under 1 amp. Charge has already started to increase. That should be a heavy enough wire to carry charge between the 2 of them. I know JB sit there and recommends heavy gauge wire when you're going from several batteries, no loss. So that's the same gauge wire I have coming off of the bus for the 1N4007s. Okay, we're right at 1 amp right now. Just slightly left to center. Charge rate is nice and slow, but steady. Let's see if we've got any heat at all. Nope, everything's nice and cold. that rotor's going faster than 599 RPMs, but let me grab that digital tack and see what we can find out here. Yep, 585.6 RPMs. I know Tin Man was saying reversing the magnets to south, he won't get as near as the rotor speed, but this is a 14-inch rotor, and it sounds like it's hauling. You guys can hear it. Anyway, there's how far the charge has got it since we started. I'm going to let her go. See how she does in about 2 hours. I'm going to go ahead and post this video so you guys can see what's happening. We'll see you in a few.